keeping it, you know, in a good state. You know, if you go down there to collect the money, you know, any number of reasons, there is no limit as long as the expense is apportioned if you're going to be travelling for non-property reasons.
Great. And she's asking specifically about building and pest inspections done for a property that was not purchased. Are they claimable? But I guess that leads to a larger question, Ken.
Yeah.
Can you claim expenses on, you know, incurred, I guess, in the process of looking at investment properties?
We've got to go back to what your intention was when you bought. If your intention is to buy a property that you'll keep, so therefore it's going to be an investment property, then those costs associated with, you know, failed attempts are not deductible. It's just lost in the ether. If your intention is to buy properties for resale, to develop, etc., then those costs are allowable. So it comes back to, are you buying a property for reselling purposes, or are you buying a property with the intention to keep it as an investment? If it's the latter, then those costs associated with inspections and due diligence are not claimable.
Hmm. And so Sharon's asked a question.
Sad state of affairs.
Yeah. Sharon's asked a question about how long the ATO allows you to go see a property interstate. I don't think. I think it's probably more than a day. You know,
it's how long you need. I mean, it's how long you need.
Be reasonable, I guess.
Correct. If, you know, you've had to get some repair people there or whatever, and, you know, the kitchen guy's here on one day and the plumber's there the next, then obviously it extends the time. Yeah. But, you know, one of the good things about the ATO, he might look at those things, but he doesn't tell you the style of travel that you have to do. So do you sit at the back of the plane or the front of the plane, or do you stay at the, you know, Formula One hotel, or, you know, one of the more exotic ones? I mean, that's your decision. That's a business decision. Mm, the only thing is, whatever you spend, you need to apportion.
Yeah,
if required.
That answers a question Jeff had. Can you claim the expenses of accommodation, flights, hire car? Yes, you can. Yep.
Yep.
And Ken, just to clear up that question around the you know, asking your property manager to pay you on July 1, just to be clear, if you're doing that for the intention of saving tax and that's the only reason you're doing it, then you may fall foul of the ATO under those circumstances, under the anti-avoidance laws.
Correct.
Yeah, I hope that clears that up for Melanie. I guess the advice is tread carefully there.
Yeah.